Assalamu alaikum. Today in this lesson we people will learn very important vocabulary for spoken Arabic language. It is very important to learn different meanings of Arabic word. First word today is asasi. The word is asasi. Asasi means basic. Basic. If suppose you people will say هل أنت كأساسي مفروضات من اللغة العربية كثيرا أنت تتكلم من اللغة العربية بسهولة, as you can use this word asasi, it means basic. The next one word is mafrudat. Mafrudat. Mafrudat means vocabulary. As I have already spoken one sentence regarding Arabic language, through that you can collect your basic meanings of all Arabic language, then you can speak in Arabic very easily. Mafrudat, vocabulary. Asasi means basic. Next word is anka. Anka. The word is anka. It means yours. Yours. Anka. The next one word is mufaddala. Mufaddala. Al-mufaddala. Al-mufaddala means favorite. Favorite. You can use different kind of the words for asking limaza anta mufaddala. Mufaddala means favorite. What is your favorite game? هل أنت مفضل لاعب؟ هل أنت مفضل لاعب؟ المفضلة. المفضلة means favorite. The next one word, this is very common. This is haflatun. Haflatun. Haflatun means bus. This is regarding transport. Whenever you are going to move from one place to another, you people use a bus for the travel. In Arabic, we people will say haflatun. The next one word is rehlatun. Rehlatun is regarding traveling. It means a trip, or you can also say, this one word for using journey. Journey. This is regarding your journey. Rehlatun can use this one word in different meanings regarding, like, if you people are traveling anywhere, how's your trip? We will use rehlatun. Rehlatun is also using for journey. This one word is also using for voyage. We can also use this one word for the traveling, and it is also using for touring. Rehlatun is a word that you can use for the different meanings of English, like trip, journey, voyage, and traveling. Hope so you people will do practice of all these words meaning in Arabic, and you people will be able to speak in Arabic. Thank you.